Good evening, everybody. How's everybody doing tonight? Hey, it's your favorite Marine coming back to you today. We're talking about success. How do we have success? What is success? How do we define success? Very simply, guys, we already know those things. We already know how success is defined because we looked at what Webster had to say. We know how to achieve success. We know how to plan, prepare for, and work for success. Okay? We know that success is a habit. Okay? But what's the opposite of success? Today, let's talk about failure. What does it mean to fail? Well, failure is quite simply giving up after falling short of a goal. Okay? That's how I look at failure. If I don't quit, eventually I'm going to reach my goal and have success. So, if I quit and I give up on my goal and on my dream, then I have failed. And that's a failure. It's a failure on my part to meet expectations that I have set for myself. It's a failure on my part to meet standards. Okay? Sometimes failure is, hey, we had a plan, we had something we wanted to accomplish, and we didn't quite get there. So now we're going to change directions, and we're going to move on and have success. That's what success is. So, for those of us who are coming out of prison, who have been incarcerated, how do we have success, and how do we define and determine success or failure after prison? Okay? Well, here's the very obvious one. You failed if you return to prison. Somebody want me on my phone. Anyway, you failed if you return to prison. If you return to prison, you failed. That's a failure. Absolutely. Okay? Success is staying out of prison once released. Not for 6 months or a year, but forever. Okay? So, successful is, hey, I have achieved my goal every day. So every day I have achieved my goal if I'm not going back to prison. I haven't been rearrested, recharged, reoffended. So I have achieved a goal and I've had success that day. That's how you have success in the long term, is little bitty small bites. A wise man once told me, he asked me a question. How do you eat an elephant? And the answer is quite simple. One bite at a time. How do we have success? One day at a time. So those of us that are coming out of prison, that are wanting to have success and are struggling, let me encourage you that better days are ahead. You will be successful if you want to be. You determine how successful you are. Not a probation officer, not a parole officer, not a law enforcement officer, but you. Okay? You determine your successfulness because you do what you're supposed to do. You handle your business. You go out there and you get a job and you work every day to provide. You can move up. Or you go to school and you earn a degree and you move up that way. But the important thing is we don't reoffend. We kick drugs, we kick alcohol, we kick robbery, whatever it is that we were sent in for, we kick those habits. And we start off new. Because guess what? Coming out of prison, you got a wonderful opportunity. That's a new life. You got an opportunity at a brand spanking new life. A brand new start at life. You have success one day at a time. You have success one day at a time. Okay? You don't eat a whole steak at a time. You eat it a bite at a time. That's how you have success. One day at a time. Every day is a bite of the pie. Okay? So we have success one day at a time. Coming out of prison, success is, okay, I find a job. I find a place to stay. I become productive. Those are things that we got to set for ourselves, and those are things that aren't going to be easy to accomplish all the time. But we have a plan, and we prepare, and we plan for to have success. Okay? So guys, it's been great being here with y'all tonight. I will talk to y'all later. See you on the other side. Until then, God bless. May you have fair winds and following seas. Godspeed and Semper Fidelis.